If you've been spending extra time on the computer working from home and you're starting to feel like you're slouching a lot, watch this video right now to work on that posture. I'm Coach Michael from Forever Aesthetic, and today I'm going to show you how you can strengthen your back in order to fix your posture. We're going to be going for 3 exercises with a resistance band, so follow along. What tends to happen with bad posture is our upper back muscles are neglected. We spend a lot of time typing on the computer, on our phones, and you can imagine what happens. We end up coming forward because these muscles are very weak. They can't hold us back. So the way to fix that is to strengthen that back in order to pull everything back here. For each exercise that you see, you're going to perform 10 reps of each move. 3 sets, resting 30 seconds in between sets. So all you're going to need is a long loop resistance band and some willpower. All right, so let's get to this. The first one we're going to do is a face pull. So you're going to take your band, you're going to wrap it around a column or something sturdy at the height of your forehead. Then we're going to take the band here with an overhand grip. We're going to place our shoulders back and down. We're going to squeeze our core to keep stable, and then we're going to squeeze right back. Bring it in, bring the elbows right back, trying to pull the band right to your forehead. So you want to focus on squeezing your traps, which are located right here. So that's the muscle we're strengthening, our upper traps on this face pull here, and our rhomboids. All right, for the next move, we're going to perform a row with the band. So we can bring this band right down to chest height. We're going to grab again with an overhand grip, keep that core tight here, and we're going to squeeze our elbows back. Come forward, squeeze the shoulder blades together here, driving the elbows behind you. Make sure to hold on tight, keep your wrists flexed nice and hard, and keep this form and tempo as you go along. For the third move, we're going to perform band pull apart, so we can take this band right off, and we're going to hold it just at chest height. We're going to squeeze our shoulder blades into the back pocket, keep the core tight here. At the end of the band, we want to make sure that there's resistance, and here we go. We're going to squeeze back, and we're going to come out. So we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together here, come out nice and wide as you can, and come forward. You always want to make sure you're getting a slight pause to allow the muscles to really contract before you release the rep. Breathing is also essential here, so remember, big breath in, breathe out as you squeeze. Big breath in, inhale, exhale. So those are the 3 exercises you can perform with a band to help strengthen your upper back, which in turn will fix your posture. Those are the 3 exercises you can use to help combat bad posture. If you're still around, I'm going to show you something else. So what we're going to do here is a chest stretch that's going to help open up your pecs and give you more room for those shoulders to go back. So the way we're going to stretch out those pecs is by going into a doorway or against a wall. We're going to put our hand up here. We're going to put the 90-degree here in our elbow. We're going to stand right beside the doorway or the wall. We're going to take our inside leg. We're going to take a big step forward, and we're going to lean into it. And what's going to happen right now is we're going to get a big stretch to our pec muscles. Make sure you're breathing here. You're going to want to hold it for 30 seconds at least, and you can repeat it twice. Make sure to do both sides. If you want to add your neck into it, turn your neck and look down. It's going to stretch out your levator scap muscles as well. After you hit those stretches and those exercises, you're going to be feeling much looser in this area. You're going to be feeling much stronger in your back, and those shoulders are going to start to roll right back. Make sure to perform these exercises at least 3 times a week. Do the whole circuit, throw in the chest stretch, and you're going to be feeling much better. So feel free to rewatch the video to do the workout, and I'm looking forward to seeing you with better posture. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was of any value to you, please hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share it with a friend. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.